All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back here for another recap video. So I am watching Lucy here, maybe for a $1 break. So Lucy has been one of the winners for today. Looks like we're breaking lows here, so we may not get a continuation for quite a bit some time. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I got some other things to do today. So, but we are finishing up. Let's see. We are finishing up $1,244. So pretty decent day here this morning. Didn't think it would be a hot day. Didn't think it was going to be a hot day, but this is why it's called Freaky Friday, Wild Card Friday. You never know what you're going to get. I really thought it was going to be slow, but we ended up seeing some decent moves. I thought BTTR would be the winner from the pre-market pump, our live stream that we do every morning. I thought this would be the one, but it was really choppy, didn't really hold up. Volume faded really quick. Then we had ONMD started popping up, and this one gave some decent moves. I know a lot of traders did well on this one, but unfortunately, I didn't do too well. I mean, I'm up $200, but I did get chopped around a lot, and I was executing through Thinkorswim, and man, I think the Thinkorswim fills are just a tad bit slower for those hyper scalpers, and just even the quarter second, the half a second it takes to get filled, really kind of ruins a little bit of my edge. You know, I may still have an edge, but there was a lot of times where I wanted to get in a certain price, and by the time the order actually went through, I was getting filled somewhere entirely different, coming in and coming out. Then we had so ONMD, very nice because yesterday, we had a decent move here, consolidation, curl up, breakout overnight, a massive gap up to 250, 260, pulling back here, and then at the open, ripping up, breaking the previous highs from overnight, pulling back, holding these lows here, making a nice cup and handle formation. So we have a nice double bottom here, a W formation, and then our higher low, or you could see this as a cup and handle formation, breaking out through the previous highs, all the way up to 322. Very nice move here. Very nice move there on ONMD. I know a lot of traders did well. Unfortunately, I did not perform or perform to the best of my abilities. I'm not sure if it was maybe the price action was a little choppy, but I'll go back and review it and see what I did wrong and improve for next time for a stock similar to this. But we did get LUCY, which started to rip late morning, and I started to jump on this thing and ride it, and I was really in the flow here, and I was able to pull out on this one. Let's see. Right over $1,000 on the LUCY, which is crazy, and I feel like I could have done better. And that's why I always feel whenever I do well. Whenever I do well on a stock or on a day, I always feel I could do better, which I guess is good in one sense. But it's always important to be grateful for the fruits of our hard work and the fruits of the markets. Not every day we get a stock like this, and it's important to be grateful for the opportunity that we get every single day. But yeah, LUCY, very nice front side. The fills are good. I started executing through Dash Trader, and I felt like my fills are just a lot better. Like I felt like I was just actually getting filled at the price I want to get filled at. And one really stressful area which really triggered me was this breakout here. So this breakout here, all the way back here, 20K shares, looking for, we had a nice bull flag, second bull flag here, getting in at 35 or 34, 35 for the 1 minute candle to make a new high, 20K shares, looking for the breakout. We even break out, and I'm in 20K shares deep, and I go to sell market, and I'm getting, we break out, and by the time the order gets filled, the price pulls back to 36, 35, and I'm taking a loss. So that really triggered me today, but I did get back on the horse and started to get active here on the front side here. Very nice, consistent action, consistent volume, great liquidity, just overall very beautiful on this penny stock. And I usually don't trade penny stocks, but man, with these penny stock movers the past month, the past 2 months, you cannot leave this on the table. Like, this is great opportunity. For those of you who don't trade penny stocks, if you were to kind of let these moves go the past month, these were the primary movers. These penny stocks, they were making the majority of the moves this month. So, I jumped on the bandwagon of the penny stocks, and it really started to pay off. And I would say how I really traded this was waiting for the break of those key levels, jumping on the momentum, and riding the push. I kind of stayed away from dips a little bit because kind of thought that the dips, you couldn't really time or feel the low, at least in my perspective, in my trading today here on Lucy. But I felt that, buying the push over those key levels and riding the momentum to the upside was the best way to trade this, at least for me. So finishing up $1,250, so pretty decent day. Gonna go enjoy my weekend, my long weekend. So Monday is a exchange holiday, a federal holiday. So there will be no trading on Monday. Yesterday I didn't really get the trade because my power went out right at like 9:45, so I didn't really get the trade. And then the day before, I think it was like a break-even day. So this week I only had 2 decent days. I had today, which I have to finish importing here, but oh no, it looks like it did go through. Interesting. It says I'm up 1,400. I'll have to fix that. I'm up 1,250. So I'm not actually up 1,400. I'm not sure what's going on there. Maybe it duplicated something. But yeah, so this day power went out, so it was like green $10. This day, small green, I think maybe $40. But Tuesday and today were my big days, and between those two, it puts me up over $2,000 on the week. So $2,000 on the week, pretty decent. Can't really complain about that. And I just want to keep up the consistency. We may see Lucy break $1 later today, but I will not be here to trade it. I got other things going on. But for those of you still trading, good luck. Stay calm, cool, and collected. Dial in for the rest of the day. That's not revenge trade, but follow our rules, follow our disciplines. And let's see here. Yeah, so I'm going to finish importing. So I won't be able to show you any statistics for today because I didn't finish the import. I got to fix it. But if you guys wanted to see my full archive, if you guys wanted to see the full archive for today or for any previous day, you guys can check out Triad Trading in Merciless Markets University with the link down in the description. That'll bring you to this page, and you'll be able to check out any single day that I traded, and you guys can compare your trading with mine. And if you trade similar to me, if you're a scalper or hyper scalper, then you should definitely be able to find some value out of the archive. So check that out, and the other links in the description. Hit that thumbs up button for me on the way out. If you're new, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you part of the community. And yes, the community has been killing it. The community has been absolutely killing it. So hope to see you in the community, and I'll catch you guys later. See you next week. Peace.